Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Kamaluddin Nurul Komar from Tupi Management. In this time, I will retell about article the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on stock performance and evidence Indonesia. Abstract: the COVID-19 pandemic has hit various sectors, including the stock market, where many people are hesitant to invest in stock. The study aimed to analyze which sector stock are still able to surviving during the COVID-19 pandemic. By using stock trading volume data, composite stock, price index, weekly and monthly market capitalization values with a symbol of 20 stock. The high stock based on sales volume and transaction value on the Indonesian Stock Exchange. For the period March 2020 to June 2020, update from the Financial Service Authority weekly report and the Indonesian Stock Exchange monthly report. Keyword: stock investment, Jakarta Composite Index, COVID-19. Introduction. The coronavirus pandemic has been officially declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization on the to hit more than countries in the world. The number of people worldwide infected is still aggressively increased. COVID-19 has extended the world many ways, such as changing the way we work, study, worship, socialize, essence, eat, sleep, and so on. To slow the changing the way we work, study, to slow spread COVID-19. Everyone is strongly encouraged to maintain physical distancing, maintain cleanings, and wear masks. How long the pandemic will last and its economic impact is difficult to predict. The COVID-19 pandemic forces used to survive and unrealistic. However, recently the government has begun to plan a transition discourse towards to the new normal. Currently, the COVID-19 pandemic has spread throughout the world. Initially, this did not affect the stock market, but as more victims were confirmed, the stock market reacted negatively. This also caused price on the stock market to decline, especially after WHO said the COVID-19 was a pandemic and caused the negative abnormal return. The COVID-19 pandemic in Indonesia affected the capital market and caused a change in trading time on the Indonesian Stock Exchange, and this was a negative signal which caused investors to be more interested in selling their shareholdings. The stock market in Indonesia before COVID-19 was quite stable. The GCI tended to stable before 2020. In January 2020, there was a decline in the GCI value. At the time the COVID-19 outbreak began to emerge in Wuhan, China. Literature review. Shares a sake of participation of ownership of individual investor or institutional investor or threats on investment or an amount of fund invested in a company. The stock market is a place where government and industry can raise long-term capital and investor can buy and sell securities. In addition, there is also a positive relationship between an efficient stock market and economic growth, both in the short and long term. This is line with the statement that the stock market will not be able to run away from the economic condition of a country. Yeah, information about the stock market performance is summarized in an index called the stock market index, which reflects the performance of stock in the market. This index describes the movement of stock price, so it also called to stock price index. IHSG, transaction value of the market. February week since the first COVID-19 patient in Indonesia was confirmed in early March until now, February 2021. Trading transaction on the stock market have fluctuated. The composite stock price index continues to vacillating during the world COVID-19 pandemic. The ups and downs of the stock market do not only occur in Indonesia, but also in any part of the world. The government believes this condition is only temporary and will recover if the COVID-19 pandemic passes. However, until now, there is no saying that the pandemic will end. The pandemic that occurs is that Indonesia is considered to have not succeeded in overcoming the pandemic. Material and methods. The study used a descriptive and exploratory method. Observation were made on the composite stock price index and economic growth in Indonesia before the COVID-19 pandemic and during the COVID-19 pandemic, then linked to conditions that occurred in Indonesia. Secondary data from papers RI is in the form economic growth data for 2014 first quarter of 2020. Observation were made on the share transaction report on the Indonesia Stock Exchange starting from early March 2020 to early June 2020. Result and discussion. Result and discussion. At the time when the pandemic was being discussed in Indonesia, share price in general were experienced a decline. Some shareholders sell their shares because they are worried that the share price will decrease even further. There is even a possibility of buyback of shares by the issuer which could shareholder. Some investors actually increased the number of shares because they assumed the stock price would increase after the pandemic ended. Investor who are risk taker will take advantage of this condition to buy loss of shares when the price drop. They think this condition is only temporary, and if the condition return to normal, the stock price will increase and bring a lot of profit. Investor who are risk averse will be afraid some of the pieces investor will sell shares because they are worried that the stock value will decrease and cause loss. Some others do not sell, but also do not buy shares. They maintain the number of shares they own in the hope that condition will be normal and the stock price will increase again. But they also do not dare to buy or increase the number of shares because they are worried that the value will decrease. For moderate investor, they generally increase the number of shares, but they are full of consideration. They will buy a certain amount, so if the stock price falls, the loss is not too big, and if the stock price rises, it will get a profit. Investor carry or fundamental analysis. Investor must also perform technical analysis, which is to pay attention the ups and down certain share prices. Able for so that in 2020 and 2021, the most traceable stock both based on trade volume and trade value are financial sector stock, namely BNLI, BBRI, BHI, BBCA, BRIS, BMRI, BBNI, and BTPS. The health sector stock is care. The telecommunication sector is the shares of CLKM, COVR, and TBEGI. The construction sector is PVON and MG Line. The infrastructure sector is PBGS, BULL, GIAA, PURA, and GSMR. The trade sector is MNCL, VILM, and BOGA. The miscellaneous industry sector is ESII. The consumer good industry sector is ICBP, UNVR, INDV, IMSP, and INTP. Will avoid stock market expert condition research on how COVID-19 affect the stock market. The result of his research cited that during the COVID-19 pandemic is the best time to invest. Buy stock where many people sell share, so stock price is very cheap. Will provides indicator that can be used by investor in order not to make the wrong choice of stock product by answering the following question, namely, whatever the demand for stock production is high, whether the company that their product actual as a price controller, whether the product by the company are always needed by human, and are there in and if net are the production product is available, valuable, and high value production source as energy, solar power, food, and others, or the product is a luxury production required by a certain group. Conclusion: the stock market is one of the long-term funding tools that can be used optimally by issuers, a means of investing for investor, and also helps the government in developing the real sector. The COVID-19 pandemic is affect Indonesian company and stock market. The overall GCI value this line and the stock market condition become unstable. There need to be a good synergy between the government, issuer, and investor to deal with and break COVID-19 and so that Indonesian economic and stock market condition return to normal. I mean, enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.